Are you ready for the future of smart industries? Let our edge computing take you to AI-powered IoT world. At Netiotek, we design industrial computing platforms that power real-world solutions. From high-precision semiconductor equipment to smart factories and even rural connectivity projects, we work on where reliability matters most. With over 20 years of experience, we specialize in custom-designed edge computers, rugged, compact, and ready for the field. Whether it's Intel or NVIDIA, our systems handle workloads at the edge with industrial-grade durability. And our job doesn't stop at hardware. Our products are CE, FCC, RoHS certified, and trusted by system integrators across Asia, Europe, and the US. We offer local support with partners in Malaysia, India, EU, and the US, and a 24-hour troubleshooting response that minimizes downtime and keeps your projects running. But that's not all. This year, we're pushing boundaries with single-pair Ethernet, SPE, a breakthrough in industrial networking. With 10-base T1L, you get up to 1 kilometer of Ethernet connectivity using just a single twisted pair, with data and power on the same line. It's the ideal upgrade path from legacy systems like 4 to 20 milliamperes and field bus. Simplified wiring, long-distance reach, and lower installation costs. From media converters to PoDL injectors, we provide all the building blocks to bring Ethernet to the edge, even down to the sensor level. Whether you're scaling smart automation, building AI-enabled machinery, or expanding connectivity to the most remote sites, Netiotek delivers trusted edge platforms and innovative networking solutions that make digital transformation real. Let's build the future together, smarter, faster, and more connected.